LED digital alarm clock. Click on the Amazon link in the description to purchase. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Dimmer slider. Jeweled frequency precision. Battery backup alarm. Red alarm on, off slider and pause button. 7 colored night light. Double USB charging output. The best choice for your bedroom. 7 colored night light. Package includes AC adapter to power on the clock. Let's check the manual. Sleek super large 7-inch LED display and 0% to 100% full range brightness dimmer. Highly visible time on display, you can view it from far distance without putting your glasses on. Allows you to set the brightness to your comfort level, all the way from exceedingly bright to exceedingly dim. You can sleep without a disturbing glare, simply push the dimmer slider to adjust the brightness you prefer. With 7 color options, simply tap the large night light button to switch between 7 colors. Perfect for children that need a night light for the bedroom without turning on a lamp. Turn off night light if you're someone who prefers total darkness. Batteries are required to memorize time and alarm setting in case of power failure. Also, it is able to trigger the alarm during power outages. Display will be black when running off batteries to save power. Includes 2 USB ports. Simply connect it to the USB port before you go to bed. It will be fully charged when you wake up in the morning. Alarm is adjustable. Wake up the heavy sleepers with loudest alarm volume buzzer. The sound is soothing instead of obnoxious. The alarm starts slower and soft and then increases gradually until it reaches its maximum so you can wake up gently. Click on the Amazon link in the description to purchase. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.